Let's learn how you can freeze location on Snapchat. I'll show you this tutorial on iPhone, but you can follow up with any other device because method is same for every phone. Now without any delay, let us open Snapchat application. Now you will have to go to your location and map tab. And once you're here, just open gear icon. As you can see, I have ghost mode enabled, but if you have it enabled, you will have to disable that. So now everyone can see your location. Now you want to set a location is visible to my friends, so this first option. When you did this, go back and go to settings. Now scroll down to apps options and find Snapchat there. Here it is. Go here and go to Snapchat location. Allow access to location, just set to never. And now Snapchat will remember last location you set before setting this option to never, and it will freeze location of Snapchat. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.